Hello everyone, I'm Elaine Adaw from the Mastermind Hub co-working space, and today I'm going to teach you on how to create an Instagram business account. First, go to instagram.com. Make sure that you are logged in into your own account. On Instagram, you can convert your personal profile to a business account to access features that can help you grow your business. To switch your profile to a business account, step 1, go to your profile and tap this option in the upper right corner. Tap Settings. Tap Switch to Professional Account. Tap Business. Then tap Next. Select a category for your business and tap Done. Add contact details and tap Next, or tap Don't use my contact info to skip this step. With a business account, you'll be able to access insights that can help you understand who is engaging with your business on Instagram. You also have access to the professional dashboard. You also have the option to display or hide your business category and contact information on your profile. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've learned something on this video. Please don't forget to like our page, like and share this video. Bye!